In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pull a GitHub branch in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned developer or new to managing code versions, understanding how to pull a branch is essential for keeping your work up to date with the latest changes. Let's dive right in. First, you want to navigate to GitHub's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in github.com. Once you reach the GitHub homepage, you'll see the sign in option in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on that. Now you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. You'll need to provide either your username or email address tied to your GitHub account. After entering that information, move on to the next field and type in your password. Remember, keeping your password secure is vital, so avoid sharing these details with anyone you don't trust. Once you've filled in your credentials, click on the Sign In button to access your GitHub dashboard. The dashboard is your personal space on GitHub where you can easily access your repositories, explore others, and manage your work. Now that you're logged in and looking at your dashboard, cast your eyes over to the navigation bar on your left. Here, you want to go to the section labeled Repositories. Click on the repository you're working with and it will direct you to the main page of that specific repository. Next, look at the space directly above your list of files in the repository. You should see a button labeled Pull Requests. Click on that and it will take you to a page where you can view existing pull requests or create a new one. This is a crucial step as pull requests let you review and discuss changes before rolling them into your branch. From here, click on the New Pull Request button. At this stage, GitHub presents a comparison view. What you need to do is select the branches you want to compare, typically base and compare branches. The base branch is the target branch you're updating, while the compare branch contains the new code you want to pull into the base. Once you've selected the appropriate branches, review your changes and ensure everything looks correct. If all is set, you can proceed with creating the pull request, which submits your changes for review. This is an important practice as it ensures that your team can collaborate effectively, catching possible mistakes before they get merged into the main code base. That's it. You've successfully pulled a branch on GitHub. Using these steps helps keep your project synchronized and collaborative, allowing for robust and efficient code development. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks in our upcoming videos. Until next time, happy coding.